Hi, I need to make an appointment for my sick child. Can you help me with that?
Of course, we're here to help. Can you tell me your child's name and date of birth?
Yes, my child's name is Alex, and he was born on January 1st, 2015.
Thank you. What are Alex's symptoms?
He has a fever and a cough.
I'm sorry to hear that. We have availability tomorrow at 10 a.m. Would that work for you?
Yes, that works for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. Just a reminder, please bring your child's insurance card and any relevant medical records to the appointment.
Okay, I'll make sure to do that. Thank you again.
No problem. We hope your child feels better soon.